Next Gen Ranger Raptor. It's had an exhaust fitted somewhere else and has turned up here making a fair racket. It's ended up with a massive crack in the system, so yeah, it's obviously under a fair bit of stress and potentially not calculated in for the actual amount of growth and expansion on this one. So yeah, this is almost cracked right through on that. So yeah, we'll get that off and end up repairing this and get this customer back on the road. So yeah, as you can see, we've got it off the car now, and it's nearly broken the entire way around. So we'll cut this through and refab it up. So back on the Raptor, we've ended up making a new section for this because the alignment and the length was a fair way off, so it wasn't going to fit. So we've ended up with a new flexi, a high performance one rather than one of the woven ones, which we have a fair few issues with. And then that all fits up nicely. So yeah, cut and shut, re-welded up the front, the correct fitment, and yeah, that'll all work now and get this guy back on the road.